Hey, my friend. So, if you're an online network marketer or an online entrepreneur and you're looking for a way to set and achieve your goals much, much faster and easier, then I've got the perfect solution for you. So, right now, I am giving away my quarterly goal planning worksheet and my weekly results tracking worksheet. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download them and exactly how to use them to set and achieve your goals. Okay, so if you take a look somewhere near this video, you're going to find a link that you'll be able to click on in order to download the worksheets to your computer. Once you've done that, make sure you save them in a place that you're going to be able to find them again, and then print them out so you've got hard copies in front of you. Okay, so the first worksheet you're going to want to use is the quarterly goal planning worksheet that you can see right here on screen. And what you want to do is you want to write down your 12-week goals. So if you followed my previous trainings, we talked about setting 3 goals. Number 1 is to build your audience. Number 2 is to generate leads. And number 3 is to make more sales. And what I'd said was, if you use the good, better, or best approach to goal setting, again, you can refer back to the previous training that I created on that, then we're going to aim for your best goal, which is the highest level goal that is achievable that you can hit in the next 12 weeks. And over here, I've written to increase my audience by 500 targeted prospects. So this is the 12-week goal. This is kind of the bigger aim, to increase your audience. And when you fill it out, use it as if it's yours. So use the word my. And then here I've said generate 300 leads or members into my Facebook group. Now, depending on how you're generating leads, you might have an email list. You might want to get people onto your email list, or you might have a Facebook group and you might want to build your group by 300 new members. Essentially, when people join your Facebook group, they are leads because they've said yes, they're interested, they've joined your group. So the third goal is to enroll. And you can use whichever terminology you like. If you want to make sales, you can use that. If you want to say get 10 new customers, you can use that. If you want to say get 10 new team members, you can use those words. Or if you want to use clients, you can use that as well, depending on which type of business you're in. But I've put enroll 10 new customers for this specific goal here. And then underneath, you'll find a little section that you can write in. And I like to write this in the present tense as if it's already been achieved. So I've said here, it's the 30th of June and I have grown my audience on Facebook by an extra 500 of my perfect people. I now have 300 new members or leads in my Facebook group, and I've enrolled 10 new customers into my business. I'm really excited. Okay, so this is now a document that you can have on your wall, or you can put somewhere that you're going to see it every single day to remind you of what your bigger goal is. Now, hopefully you'll have even bigger goals like your 1-year goal, and you'll have a vision that's driving you forward, something that you want to achieve long term. But this is your quarterly goal. So it's going to be like your 12-week goal, essentially, or your 90-day goal. Okay, so the second sheet here, you want to put the date at the top, and I've just added a random date here. And then when you're starting this, you'll want to put week 1, and then you'll print it out again for the second week, and you'll put week 2, week 3, week 4, etc. Probably print it out once a week. If you wanted to do it all in advance, you could print out 12 copies. That'd be absolutely fine. And then what you want to do over on the right-hand side here, it says key weekly outcomes. So now if you take your audience building goal, which was 500, and then divide it by 12, you're going to get your weekly outcomes. And I always round up my numbers so they go higher rather than lower. So, here I've said build my audience by 42 new people per week. Okay, generate 25 new leads per week, because 12 lots of 25 is the targeted number for my leads for the 12 weeks. Okay, and then I've put get 1 new customer. So, 10 new customers in total over 12 weeks works out around about 1 new customer a week. In fact, not even that. So these are the weekly outcomes that I've set. I'm giving you this as an example. So make sure you write your weekly outcomes here. And then over on the left, you'll see it says daily targets. And I've put here to gain 6 new followers or friends per day. So all you do now is you divide the weekly number by the amount of days that you're going to work on this. So let's say you're going to do this 7 days a week because it's only going to take 20 to 30 minutes a day to do this. Then you can divide that and you're going to get roughly, again, I round things up. So to gain 6 new followers or friends per day, to gain 4 new leads per day, and to gain 1 new customer per week. So, again, very, very easy to hit. Once you've taken this big goal of, let's say 500 audience members, 300 leads, and 10 sales, you break it down into smaller chunks. So now you've got your weekly targets and weekly outcomes, and then you break it down even further into your daily targets, so you know exactly what you need to do every day to hit your goal. And then you just repeat. Okay, and then underneath we've got the tracking part of the worksheet. So let's say you start on a Monday. At the end of Monday, you probably want to do this the next day, so Tuesday. Go back and have a look at your stats and say, how many new friends, followers, or fans did I get? Okay, Monday, I got 5 new followers. Excellent. Well, I didn't hit my goal of 6 or my target of 6, so I'm not going to give myself a tick. So you could, if you wanted to, give yourself a cross here that you didn't hit your target, and that's okay. Or you can just leave it blank like this. And then 2 new leads and 0 new customers. So we're still making progress, we're still moving forward, but we haven't hit our targets. And again, that's okay. So Tuesday we do the same, 5 new followers, 3 new leads, 0 new customers. We didn't hit the target. Now on Wednesday, 7 new followers, 5 new leads, 1 new customer. Okay, what were the targets? Well, the target was 6 in a day, or 4 leads, or 1 customer. So we've hit and smashed all of these. So I'm going to give myself a tick, 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 tick. I'm going to do the same Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then at the end of the week, you're going to total them up and you're going to put in your wins for the week. So here, my audience grew by 36. I got 27 new leads. I got 2 new sales. So that is really, really, really powerful. And you can do this without doubt. It's just a case of shut out all of the noise, find a process that works for you, and just focus every single day on doing those activities. That really is all you need to do to grow your business online, is eliminate all of that noise and just focus and stay focused, and do this for 12 weeks and see what happens. Make sure you follow along at networkingsuperstars.com and our Facebook group to learn more about how to grow your business online, whether you're in a network marketing business or another kind of business that you're wanting to grow online, maybe using social media, maybe using technology and high tech, and potentially looking to build a business with multiple streams of income as well. So make sure you download these worksheets, make sure you then print them out and fill them in. And if you feel like sharing this, you're welcome to. This is available for other people as well. And I cannot wait to share more training around this subject to help you grow your business online. So this is Gavin Mountford here. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.